How to make mockups. Mockups are creative designs that can help you to see how your designs will look like when it's published online or printed. We can accomplish that by means of both Photoshop and Canva. And in this video, I'm going to show you how we can use Canva to create mockups for your designs. So let's begin. Open Canva, then create a new design or open an existing one. Then go to the toolbar above the page, click on Edit, Effects. Next, look for Smart Mockups from the Editor side panel. Click on Select All to see all mockup options. Click on your chosen option to see the mockup version of your design. Click Apply to finish, and it would be ready for download.
If you enjoyed this tip, come take a class with me on Amphy today.